G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. Tonight we're going to look at a tutorial of a 3D pop-out. So let's get stuck straight into it. I'm going to use a flat circle shape. So we just click on that, bring it into the canvas, and I'm going to use this image here of an excited student in a headset, etc. So we'll bring that into there. So what we're going to do is duplicate, just drag that over there. We're going to bring that into the shape. I'm going to double click on it and we're going to expand it out like so, and we'll position that down there and we'll reduce that up there. Okay, so we'll click done. What I like to do is just bring some frames into the canvas as well to line it up. So we'll bring that in there like so, and we'll bring that in there like so, and we'll just move that off the page a bit. So we'll line these rulers up like so. This just allows easier lining up of the layer over the top. Okay, now that we've got that, we'll click done, and we'll bring this in like so, and that lines up with all the corners. We'll just do a double check. Yep, okay, so that's spot on. Then we'll just remove background, and that places the image over the top of the one in the shape. So what we can do there now is just go to layers, go show layers, go to there, and we'll go to the borders, and we'll choose a border of say 10. We'll go to change color and we'll use this color here. What we'll also do is go to the page, go to gradient, so gradient there, and I'm just going to borrow the text from this one, copy and paste in there. So there you have it. That is the 3D pop-out. We'll just go to show layers. Okay, click on that and that, and we'll just bring that to the front because that's the overlay. Click on that and that, and it's the little fiddly thing when you've got the rulers in place. We'll just drag that out like so. Alright, so there you have it. You have a 3D pop-out of a student with headphones. Spring into 2025. And thank you very much for watching. Hit the notification button, the like button, the subscribe button, share, leave a comment, and until next time, have fun with Canva, and bye for now.